Hey guys, Yost from Rhino Adventure Gear. Really excited about a new product here that we have. This is the James Baroud installation kit, designed, built for specific vehicles. The one we have here is for a 200 series Land Cruiser. They're available for the 80 series Land Cruiser and 100 series Land Cruiser. We've got them laid out here on the ground. Just to give you guys an idea, they are attached by suction cup that go on the windows. And one side is a reflective side to reflect the sun, and the other side is a darker fabric to keep the inside of your car cool and dark. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on our 200 series, show you guys how it works. All right, so the first thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna take the suction cups that come with the kit, comes with a ring. We're gonna put the suction cup on the shiny side of the panels and then stick the suction cup through. And you're gonna go ahead and just attach these rings. The rings are obviously serve to keep the suction cups on through the eyelets, but they also are gonna serve as a pull location for when you are going to go ahead and take the panels off should you need to. So again, this is just this is kind of a one-time thing. You're gonna do this once with all of the holes for all of the panels. So we've pretty much got all of them in now. So now you can see these are through. Suction cups on this side. We're now going to go ahead and attach them, and it's that simple. So here we go. All right, so we're just about done putting the panels on. I'm going to put the last two on for you guys, show you guys how it's done. They're pretty easy to kind of clip on. You've got the suction cups, right? You just press on them, and the fit on them is pretty near perfect, right? So that's this front window, and then we'll do this rear one as well. Same idea, just kind of line it up, and there we go. So as you can see, now we've got all the blackout on the inside of the vehicle. Our windows here are tinted a little bit, so you can't actually see them through here. If you go onto the inside of the vehicle, you can see it's nice and dark, and it's going to be a lot cooler than it would normally be without the insulation panels. The advantage of the suction cups versus kind of a traditional windshield reflector, obviously you wouldn't have the windshield reflector in while you're driving, but the other units you could have up while you're driving, let's say if you're doing a Death Valley trip or a Baja trip. We've got the rear here as well, the reflective side out, and then you can see the entire inside of the car now is fully blacked out, which is going to be pretty useful, particularly for my 3 kids as they're sleeping here. But that gives you an idea. All the panels come in a nice storage bag here. This is about as big as it is, so it doesn't take too much space in your vehicle. Obviously a soft product, so easy to store away in between maybe some unused space on your trip. So it's kind of what it looks like on the outside. You can obviously see the reflection. Our front windows are not tinted, but that gives you an idea of kind of how it looks. So pretty awesome product. We've got them available for a few vehicles, including the 200 series, 100 series Land Cruiser, and 80 series Land Cruiser. We'll likely have more available for other vehicles in the future. All right, guys, so there you have it. That is the James Baroud installation kit available at Rhino Adventure Gear. Awesome piece of kit, really going to help you stay cool. So for more information, visit us at Rhino Adventure Gear. Thanks again, guys. Cheers.